How you doing, people? Hope you're well. Okay, another quick video today. Just a very simple tip that has two great benefits. One is to improve your balance and actually your leg strength as well. We know as we get older, not only does bone density decrease, but people's balance tends to worsen. And that lethal combination is what contributes to so many elderly people having falls. So basically the tip is an exercise. And what you do in the exercise is you stand on one leg with the other leg just half an inch off the floor is enough. And you balance on that one leg, but the crucial trick is you close your eyes. It's a great test of balance, and it also strengthens the area around the ankles. Now what's at play here is that the proprioceptors around the ankle area send a message to your brain about your position in space. But there are lots of factors affecting that for your brain to make a considered decision about your position in space and how your balance is. But if you close your eyes, you're suddenly completely reliant on those proprioceptors around the ankle area. So you'll find that you are wobbling all over the place more than you would ordinarily. But if you can fight against it, what that does is it strengthens all the little muscles around that area and improves those proprioceptors, basically making that whole area around the ankle more efficient and stronger. But if you can get your total time up to about, say, a minute on each leg, you'll actually notice it's quite hard on the legs. And also, the more you practice this, if you do this on a daily basis, or let's say every other day, try and get to a total of 1 minute on each foot, you will get better and it'll improve your balance. But the second application of this is if ever you've gone over on your ankle. That's the point where those receptors are damaged. And this is a great exercise to recuperate from that sort of injury. I know in my time I've gone over on my ankle several times, and this exercise really accelerates your recovery. In fact, the trick is doing it when you're not injured. And there used to be those wobble boards. You don't see them very much now in gyms, but it was sort of a platform on a little ball that you could stand on and balance on. But you don't need one of those. With this trick, you can do it anywhere. And it's another one of those things that is worth its weight in gold. The number of times you hear of people just tripping up slightly, maybe hit a paving stone that's uneven. And if you don't have that ability to step forwards or balance quickly, you're going to fall. Falls are not just for people in their 80s. So yeah, it's a great tip. What you might notice is that you're stronger on one leg than you are the other, or stronger on one ankle than the other. And that might reflect the imbalance that you have if you have an imbalance. So that's the tip. One thing I just wanted to add was my PDF of over 40, over 50 fitness tips, fitness hacks, body maintenance tips, best types of training for cardio, for strength, for time efficiency, stuff that I've learned over 35 to 40 years of training like a crazy person, plus as well modern research. And I've created a PDF. Took me long enough, but it's done now. I'm going to offer that as a free download. I'll put the link in the description. Definitely worth checking out. Lots of very useful tips there. Check out my 28-day workout programs if you haven't seen those. There'll be a link in the description as well to those. No equipment required. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.